Hello everyone, today we are going to solve CHSL reasoning paper of 2021 which held on 24 May 9 am to 10 am. This was the first shift which occurred on the very first day. Our first question is, bravery is related to the courage. They both have same meaning. They both indicate the same meaning. So we have to search for the fourth word which will indicate the same meaning as the sinister word is indicating. So what is the fourth word? Benevolent, what does it mean? Benevolent means that a person who is good to others or who show kindness to others, है ना? एंड फर्स्ट वर्ड मतलब दयालु ही होता है. ऑस्पिशियस मतलब क्या होता है? जो बहुत ही शुभ हो या फिर जो अच्छा हो या फिर कह सकते हैं दैट ब्रिंग्स गुड फॉर्च्यून रिलेटेड टू एनीथिंग गुड. ओके. ओमिनस मतलब क्या होता है? ओमिनस का मतलब होता है ये एक ऐसा इंट्यूशन होता है या फिर ऐसा फीलिंग होता है या फिर इट इज अ काइंड ऑफ रियलाइजेशन दैट वी फील that something bad is going to happen. Okay. बेसिकली ऑमनियस का मतलब यही होता है एंड सिनिस्टर का मतलब होता है दैट यू हैव फील दैट समथिंग इविल or dangerous is going to happen. So relatively they both have the same meaning. They indicate the same thought and same meaning. So basically second option is the correct answer. Okay. Let's move to the next question. Here the statement is given, some potatoes are onion, some onions are tomato. And in the conclusion they are saying that some tomatoes are potato and no tomato is potato. So basically they both are different things. In first conclusion it is saying that some of the tomatoes are having relation with some of the potatoes. But in the second relation they are showing that they don't have any kind of relation. So it won't be possible. None of them can be true at the same time. Right? So either of them can be true. Either conclusion 1 or conclusion 2 follows. Next question. In this third question we have a number which should match uh, uh, like the fourth number should match with third number, second number should match with first number. Let's concentrate on the last digit. 0 is going to divide 0, 3 is going to divide 6, so which number is going to divide 2, 3, 4, 5? None of them. The right answer is 1 because uh, here in the given options only 1 is only going to divide 2, no one else. Next question is from coding and decoding. This is the simplest question where we have the value of A as 1, P as 16, R as 18, O as 15, A as 1, C as 3, H as 8. Okay. And in the second word we have O as 15, B as 22, A as 1 and L as 12. तो पुल का क्या होगा? P का वैल्यू क्या है? 16, O का वैल्यू 15, 15, L का वैल्यू 12. So basically the third option is the right answer. In this fifth question, we are seeing a paper folding figure question where here this figure is somehow like this, okay, and this figure is like this shape is like this, and the circles are present in every corner because due to folded paper, okay. So the figures which are going to match according to my diagram is number 2. Okay, number 2 is the correct answer. In the sixth question, we have a question type question where we have to replace that star sign with the respective operations. Yeah. So if we move to the first option, no, हमें सबसे पहले concentrate करना पड़ता है एक division sign पर. जहाँ जहाँ division sign होगा हमें उधर check करना है कि वो नंबर क्या डिविजिबल है. इफ द बोथ द नंबर्स आर डिविजिबल means they are going to divide each other, then we can move, we can proceed with that option. But if that division is not proper, like they are not dividing each other properly, then we don't need to move ahead, we just have to eliminate that option. Okay, similarly, like in this number 3 option, we are having 17 divided by 44. It is not going to give us a perfect answer, so let's eliminate this option number 3, and let's concentrate on number first option, then we shall go to number fourth option, and then 2 if we don't find an answer. Okay, so from the option number 1 we can say that 78 divided by 3 plus 12 into 5 minus 59 plus 17, it should give us the answer 44. Then and then only this arrangement can satisfy the equation and give us the answer 44. Okay, 3 divided by 72 78, 26, 60, 59 plus 17. Okay, 34 plus 1, sorry, 44 plus 1, 43 plus 1 is 44. Okay, so our first option is the right answer. Next question. In this kind of questions, we need to find the relation between the elements, obviously column wise or rows wise according to question. But here mentioned, we need to find the elements mentioned here according to row wise. Okay, otherwise we can't find the answer. 73 plus 52, what is the answer? 5, 125. Okay. I don't know what happened with my pointer, but okay. Whatever. Yeah. 125. So 125 is coming by what? 25 into 5, 125. And here 75 is coming by 25 into 3. So we have a relation of 3 and 5 with the same number, right? So we have to find again relation between these elements in the second row. 64 plus 41 is what? 105. 21 into 5 is what? 5105. And again 21 into 3 is 63. Therefore we found that relation between second row also. And in the third row we can find like 68 plus 47 is what? 115. 23 into 5 is 15115. Then 23 into 3 is 69. Therefore second option is the correct answer. Okay. In this kind of questions, we need to eliminate the options which are having inverted letters, like here 4 is inverted, here 4 and 2 is inverted, here 4 is inverted. So automatically these options are eliminated. So finally our answer is option number 1. In the ninth question, we have to follow the same process. First we need to eliminate the options which are incorrect. So option number 2 is the right one. Here first we need to see that where is the multiplication and equals to sign is. First of all, the multiplication sign is here. So 65 can never be equals to 18. Here 13 is going to be not to be satisfied. So no need of paying attention on these options much. Let's move to the third option. 13 plus 5 is what? 18, and 18 is what? 3 into 3 into 3. Right? So our third option is the right answer. In this question we have, see, there is 1, we have A as 1, B as 4, G as 7, then again we have a difference of the value 3. So incrementing 7 by 3 is 10, which is actually J. Then we need to move forward to the second letter. Second is what? Is 14, is 19, is 24. Then the next will be what? Obviously 2, B, because they are having difference between difference of 5. So incrementing 24 by 5 is 2. In the third letter we are having 7, 2. They are decreasing by minus 5, right? So Again, subtracting by minus 5, it will be 23. Again, subtracting by minus 5, it will be 18. Therefore, R. Then the option third is the correct answer because J, B, R, V is the final answer. Okay. Next, simplest question. 169 is 13 ka square. 225 is 15 ka square. 144 is 12 का square. But 431 is none of them squares. So 21 का square actual में होता है 441. So the number 2 is the odd one pair out. Okay. Here we need to find the interval between numbers. Like 11 और 20 में interval कितना है? 9 का है. 43 and 23 में कितना है? 23 का है. 94 और 43 में कितना इंटरवल है? 51. इसका 93. Again here 149. Either 9, 1, 2. Okay. Again we have to find the interval. 14. Here 28. Again here 42. Oh, so it is a multiple of 14. Okay. All these are multiples of 14, right? 70. The next multiple will be 84. So after adding them, and after adding 555 with 303 is 858. So our third option is the correct answer. Next question. This again we need to balance with the correct signs. So let's move with the first one. 14 minus 5 plus 41 equals to 76 into 35. It is never possible that such a large answer won't be equal to this mere addition and subtraction. So automatically the number first option is eliminated. Let's move to the second option. 14 into 5 minus 41 equals to 76 plus 35. 1, 70 minus 41. It is also not possible. Let's move to the third option. 14 into 5, 70 plus 41 minus 76. 35. Okay, 80. Sorry, 1 minus 76. Yeah, it has satisfied the answer. So option number 3 is the correct answer. Okay. In this question, we have to find that what will be the next series. See, this black sign is moving in the clockwise direction, right? So basically here also and here also they are in the correct direction. So let's talk about this triangle mentioned here. Okay. So actually this triangle is moving in the clockwise direction, but it is anti-clockwise itself. See, they are opposite to each other, right? So which one will be the correct answer? Yeah, this one. This is the correct answer. Okay. Now we need to find that will be on the top if the device is resting on 6. That is, we have to find that what is the number which is on the opposite face of the 6. We have 6, 4, 2. Let's write it in the clockwise direction. Okay. 6, 3, 5. So 2 is the opposite of 5. 4 is located on the opposite face of the 3. Therefore, what is the number left? Which number has not been written in this arrangement? So 1. Yeah. 1 missing. One number is missing. So the number 1 is on the face which is opposite to 6. So basically our option number 2 is right. यहाँ पर we have to see that वर्ड्स इंग्लिश डिक्शनरी में कैसे अरेंज होते हैं ना. तो एसओ 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 सब में कॉमन है. यू आर यू ए एम. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड द डिफरेंस फ्रॉम हियर इटसेल्फ. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ए आता है तो 4 पहले होगा, फिर आता है एम तो 5th सेकेंड होगा, फिर क्या आता है, फिर आर आता है तो 4 5 2. या नंबर 2 ऑप्शन. ओके. यहाँ पर भी सेम क्वेश्चन है, जहाँ वी नीड टू रिप्लेस द साइंस विद द रिस्पेक्टिव मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेशंस। सो हम देखते हैं, शुरुआत करते हैं पहले डिवीजन साइन से। जहाँ जहाँ डिवीजन साइन है पहले हम उसे यूज़ करेंगे। एंड वी नीड टू सी कि कहाँ पर ये डिवीजन साइन दो नंबर को आपस में पूरा कंप्लीटली डिवाइड करे। इफ दे आर डिवाइडिंग देन एंड देन ओनली वी आर गोइंग टू प्रोसीड विद दैट ऑप्शन, otherwise we have to eliminate that option. Okay, so if we see here, 11 is not going to divide 13, so this option is incorrect, incorrect, incorrect. We have the option number 1 left. Let's check. 57 plus 35 minus 44 divide by 11, okay, into 13. Let's see that if this arrangement gives us 40 or not. 4, 13, 52 minus 12, 92. Yeah, it gives us 40. Therefore, option number 1 is the correct answer. See, in this coding and decoding series we have, decoding ना, in this series 1 question, series वाला question है ये। तो x का वैल्यू 24, w का है 23, v का है 22, u का है 21। तो इसका नेक्स्ट क्या हो? ऑब्वियसली 20 विच इज t। यहाँ क्या है 21, 20, s का क्या होता है 19, r का क्या है 18, तो 17 होगा विच इज q। t q या ऑप्शन नंबर 1 इज द करेक्ट आंसर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। ओके, यहाँ पर r की वैल्यू 18 है, a की वैल्यू 2 है, 9 i की वैल्यू है, n की वैल्यू 15 है। ओके, सो अल्टरनेट लेटर्स आर इंक्रीजिंग बाय 1। ऐसे क्या 19, u है 22, ओके, n है 14। अल्टरनेट लेटर्स आर इंक्रीजिंग बाय 1। सो m अगर यहाँ पर 13 होता है तो o क्या होगा? इंक्रीज करेगा। o की रियल वैल्यू क्या होती है 15, बट यहाँ पर 16 होगी। अब वो वापस से ओरिजिनल होगा। अब यहाँ पर ये n क्या है 14 होता है, बट दे आर गोइंग टू इंक्रीज बाई 1 क्योंकि यहाँ पे ऑल्टरनेट लेटर्स इंक्रीज कर रहे हैं, तो n जो 14 है वो भी 15 होगा। सो आर सेकेंड ऑप्शन इज द करेक्ट आंसर। यहाँ पर एक इनकम्प्लीट क्वेश्चन पैटर्न है, जहाँ पर वी नीड टू फाइंड द प्रॉपर कंप्लीट पैटर्न। तो यहाँ पर वी कैन सी कि ये जो क्वाड्रेंट है वो पूरा फुल्ली एक क्वाड्रेंट है। देयर इज नो लाइन इन बिटवीन द ऑप्शन, दिस ऑप्शन इज टोटली एलिमिनेटेड। एंड वी टेक, इफ यू टॉक अबाउट दिस, ये बैकग्राउंड वाला इमेज, तो ये यहाँ पर मिसिंग है, तो ये भी जा रहा है। ओनली ऑप्शन नंबर 2 इज द राइट आंसर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दिस वन इज द मोस्ट यूनिक क्वेश्चन विच आई गॉट इन दिस CHSL पेपर, इन दिस शिफ्ट एक्चुअली। आर है 87, नोट है 4197, and CAT is what we have to find out. Let's या a का वैल्यू क्या होता है 1, r का क्या होता है 18। तो my pain. या द वैल्यू ऑफ a इज 1, r का वैल्यू 18 होता है, e का वैल्यू 5 होता है। इफ वी मल्टीप्लाई subsequent digits, then we can find that 18 into 5 into 1, what it is 90, and if we multiply all the three values, then we are getting 90, and after 90, if we subtract the number of letters from it, so here number of letters is what 3, so 90 minus 3 is 87 respectively. If you find here also similarly, like n equals to 14, o equals to 15, t 20, so after multiplying 15 into 20 into 14, 300 into 14, 4200 माइनस द नंबर ऑफ लेटर। यहाँ पे नंबर ऑफ लेटर कितना है 3, तो यहाँ से 3 माइनस करेंगे तो ये आ जाएगा 4197। ओके, यहाँ पे CAT लिखा है, C की वैल्यू क्या होती है 3, 1, 20. सबको मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद क्या आ रहा है? व्हाट वी आर गेटिंग? 3 into 1 into 20, 60 माइनस द नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स. यहाँ पे नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स कितने हैं? 3. 3 माइनस कर दिया, 57. So 57 is our right answer. That is second option is the correct answer. In question number 23, we have series वाला question जिसमें we need to find what is the common difference between them. If we add 4 here, then we are going to get this. So it is plus 4. Now if we minus 16, then we are going to get this. If we plus 36, then we are going to get 482. Then what we have to do next to get the number present in the question mark area? 4 4s are 16. Sorry, this one is 2 का स्क्वायर, 4 का स्क्वायर, 6 का स्क्वायर. तब यहाँ पर क्या होगा? किसी इवेंट का स्क्वायर होगा. therefore 8 का स्क्वायर that is 64. therefore 482 plus 64 कितना होगा? 6, 14, 1, 546. therefore the question mark वाला number is 546. that is option number 1 is the correct answer. Question number 24 में in the question number 24 we have 78, 112, 64, 50, 140. okay, तो डिफरेंस यहाँ पर एडजेसेंट नंबर का नहीं होगा बट द ऑल्टरनेट नंबर. 78 इज डिक्रीजिंग बाय 14 इसलिए 64 आ रहा है. अगेन अगर हम इसे डिक्रीज करते हैं बाय 14 तो 50 आएगा. सिमिलरली अगर मैं इधर इसको प्लस 14 करती हूँ तो 126 आएगा. फिर यहाँ से प्लस 14 करते हैं तो 140 आएगा. सो आवर ऑप्शन नंबर 2 इज द करेक्ट आंसर. Here the arrangement of plus 14 and minus 14 is going on. This pattern is being followed in this question. In question number 25, that is, it is the last question and it is also the simplest question because we have to arrange the words which appear in English dictionary actually. So PO, 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 everything is common. We have to look for the third letter T, S, S, L, P. Okay. So the first word which is going to, first letter which is going to come in the dictionary is number 4. Then 5, and 3, then posthumous number 2, and at last number 1. 4, 5, 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Question number option number 3 is the correct answer. So finally we have completed our reasoning paper of CHSL 2021 shift 1 of the first day. So thanks for watching.